Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy JPV. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we got a quick unboxing for you guys. We just got the Nylonove pedals for the Arrow, so we're gonna unbox it for you guys and install it. Show you guys how to install it. So here are the tools that you guys will need. You need a 5mm hex key, a 4mm hex key, a 3mm, and a 2.5mm hex key. You'll need a 13mm socket or an open wrench. You'll need a permanent marker and just a set of tools of your choice. I got this. All the tools that are needed will be in the link description below. You can get it for yourself. I use a electric socket wrench, whatever, so I don't have to manually. But I do have socket wrenches as well. So, yeah, with that said, let's get this thing unboxed, shall we? Alright, so we're gonna get this baby unboxed. I'll show you guys what the contents are. Now these are my very first set of Nylonove pedals, so I don't know what to expect. But I did want to keep my Arrow as light as I can, so I'm gonna get rid of the stock pedals and get these because these are 3D printed. Some nylon. I don't know the exact material, but it might be nylon. The contents on the box: we got some stickers and a QR code for the manuals, but you don't need to download the manual. You could just watch this video. And it looks like we have some screw caps, maybe in the end. So just unbox this. I did, however, have to tell you guys I had to pay $30 in tariffs, and UPS was gonna hold my package hostage if I didn't pay that the day before. So it's good to know to look out for your emails when your pedals are out for delivery, because they will hold it hostage unless you pay them. Actually, you kind of do need scissors for this one, so I'm going to go ahead and grab some scissors and I'll be right back. Welcome back. So these are the pedals that I got. It's the white with the ergonomic heel toe, because when I was on my cross-country trip, I was having a lot of foot fatigue, but here they are. So it looks dope. My first impressions is someone who handled my package has some oily hands, because the pedals you can clearly see in the back. I don't know if you can see it on camera or on film. Very oily. But yeah, so we'll get this installed. Hopefully this table can handle the Arrow, because it's pretty light. So we just put this to the side and get that installed. Just grab the Arrow really quick. Alright, I'm gonna try to. Okay, so everything you do from here on out is going to be mirrored. So whatever you do on this side is pretty much you do on the other side. So what you're going to do is first you're going to take off your the 3mm screws here on the bottom of the pedals to hold the dihedral angle. You can take this out fully or leave it halfway until it's enough to take out. And make sure you put these aside so you don't lose them, because that's adjusting your dihedral. Alright, so grab your 13mm socket and your 5mm Allen tool. Make sure you have the right ones, and then you go to work. So when you're doing both at the same time, make sure you're going the right direction on each side. So for instance, if this one is lefty-loosey, this one should be righty. So remember your lefty-loosey, and you should be good. Okay, we'll take that and put it to the side. Do the same thing on the other one. Now, when you are doing this, make sure you don't take off the guide. There is a guide tube in there. Alright, so now that's done. You just quickly take off the screws out of the pan and make sure you keep the spacers, because you're going to need them for the new pedals. Now if the pedals don't come out right away, just make sure to wiggle it until it does. Now this is where your permanent marker comes into place. Go ahead and mark where it's flat right here. You can see where flat is. That's where your dihedral angle screw goes on. Make sure to mark both sides so you know exactly how to line it up. Just like that. Okay? So the pedals should just come right off. Just like that. So then we're gonna grab our new ones, put that to the side, and make sure you get your scissors and cut the zip ties that are holding the screw guide. And this dude, like, put it on so tight. Okay, that's done. And just like we were taking it off, just make sure that the guide doesn't come off, because you need that in there until you're ready to push in the old bolt. Okay. So now we're just gonna lower it in the closed position. So once you either loosen up the dihedral screw, go ahead and loosen up this one as well, and then try to jimmy this in there. You can adjust it back and forth until the guide has come off, and then we're gonna do the other side as well. Okay. Just make sure you have the dihedral side up there. Alright, so now we have both on there. We're going to put back the spacers that we had from our stock screws, and then take our dihedral angle and place it back in. Now when tightening these up, you got to make sure they are going the right way first before spending full force on it, because you don't want to strip the threads on these bad boys, because they're pedals. You don't want them to coming off when you're riding around. So I'm not going to use my automatic screwdriver here. I'm just going to hand tighten the dihedral angle. I don't think this is even the dihedral one, but just make sure it's hand tight, and then we can adjust when we're riding the pedals. And then that's it. We're going to put back the stock screw on each side, and then tighten them as much as I can. with our drill. Because just having electric stuff, because just having electric stuff makes the jobs a lot faster. Well, wrong side. Make sure we're going the right way. Okay, that's that. And the other side. And that's that. I'm going to tighten this up a little bit because it did loosen it just to get the other pedal in. Kind of want to match how it was when it was stock. And there it is. Let me see if I can show you the front side of this. And then the pedals are very grippy. Looks pretty cool. I don't know if I want to do the left side of the video, but that's pretty much how you do it. You do the same thing on the other side, and then you reverse what you did on the other side. And yeah, we're gonna do both the pedals, and then we're gonna take this thing for a ride and adjust our dihedral stuff. And yeah. Alright, so as you can see, you got the dunks on, got the nylon. This is my first ride on it. Oh my god, they are grippy. You know, honestly, I also feel a lot faster for some reason. I don't know why, but they are grippy. And they're so comfortable. Just riding around the parking lot, so there's gonna be an echo, but man, these are comfortable. Alright, so that does it for the end of the video. Hope you guys like it. Well, that does it for the video, guys. If you guys learned something new today and you like the install or enjoy videos like this, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see new videos. Comment on the video and on what do you think I should do next. You know, your support means a lot to me, and it keeps me motivated to make these videos. I did have someone come up to me during TAF 1 and was like, hey, I love binge watching your videos once the new ones come in. And it just brought a huge smile to my face knowing that someone binge watches my videos. It gives me more motivation to make more videos like this. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the stall and have a great day. Peace.